Is it safe to use plastic wrap in boiling water? While I've come across one or two recipes that call for using plastic wrap in pots of boiling water, for example, to cook eggs, see link 1. I've always been a bit wary of putting the wrap in boiling water. Can someone confirm or deny whether it is safe, or a good idea, to put plastic wrap in boiling water?
Official. No definitive answer. There are different governing bodies and plastic wraps, cling films, in the US, Europe. There are also different plastic wraps for different purposes, microwave safe, safe for use with fatty foods, so on. Whether it's safe or not will depend on the product used and most likely the time boiled for. The UK's Food Standard Agency said no in 2012. Broken link, see link 1. Do not use cling films where they may melt into the food, such as in conventional ovens or with pots and pans on cooker hobs. The cling film industry are understandably much more positive. Practical. I've poached eggs using cling film for ages and I'm still here. Read the plastic wrap boxes for warnings and choose the plastic wrap that's most suited. Poach an egg as described here, see link 2. As of 2016, link requires registration to read and check if the wrap comes away cleanly. If so, you're good. I'd revisit this advice if your recipe called for cooking like this for longer than 5 to 10 minutes. There are likely more suitable products, recipes for extensive boil in the bag maneuvers. Edit. Many meals have passed. I'm less gung-ho on heating cling film plastics. It's amusingly still as contentious as ever. See link 3. And I certainly wouldn't brush the film with butter, oil, fat. My totally unscientific advice now would be learn how to poach an egg properly. It's fun, tasty, and significantly less boring than reading this answer. I like Akazi's answer, for what it's worth. Agree with CJOS that melting isn't the issue. Melting is just the upper bound for problems. The common concern is about leaching, the diffusion of chemical toxins from the plastic into the food. It's known to be accelerated through fats and at heat, hence the concern. There seems to be consensus that some leaching occurs. The issue is that it's unclear how much, from which plastics, whether the body absorbs or excretes it, and if it matters. Alarmists will tell you that the chemical runoff is toxic and causes everything from cancer to birth defects. Governments have looked into the issue but not come out with a hard no. Industry groups are fighting the issue, but losing public opinion on things like water bottles, see Nalgene, which removed bisphenol A, BPA, from their formula. Chefs generally care more about results than fringe chances of non-lethal toxicity, and they have been using plastic wrap for as long as it's been around. What should you do? It depends. Weigh fear with convenience. Use good quality products if you do use it. Don't do it too often. Or just enjoy it.